Hello, it's Michelle from Toronto. This is my first video, so be nice. So I recently went online and I bought some candy online. It's called napajapan.com and I bought it on February 4th and it just came February 19th today. So it's been probably 2.5 weeks since it came. And here it is. Here's the box. Today I got it, and so here's the box. I'll show you the box. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. So they put like flyers in there to, I guess, to keep it from breaking. But you don't need it. So I'm gonna put this aside here, and then show you. So I bought 13 items. I spent about $60 US on all this for 13 candies. It's kind of expensive, but it's all the way from Japan, so we'll see how it goes. If I really like it, I might order again. So my first item is this. It's Japanese caramel corn. It's pink, strawberry flavored. Most of it is in Japanese writing, so I'm not sure what it says. That's number 1. Number 2, takoyaki. It's like, I think it's a cookie and it looks like you can play with it. Like, there's like, comes with sticks or something. Number 3 is Twinbo. It's like a gummy candy. Feels gummy. And looks like you can dip stuff in it. I don't know. I would have to try it to know what it is. Number 4. They look like just like wine glasses. I think it's like a France background. There's the Eiffel Tower there, so I'm thinking it's wine candy. Wine gummy candy. Again, it's in Japanese, I can't read it. Number 5. Doritos. Can't go wrong with Doritos. It's gourmet, I have no idea, I have to try that too. Number 6. Pretzels. It's like, you can probably get at the Chinese supermarkets, but I don't think you can get this flavor. And six, 7. This green thing. I think it's cookies, baked cookies. Can't wait to try this one. I think it's like green tea or something. Number 8 is, I think it's also pretzels, like Pocky and stuff, so different colors. It says strawberry and apple, so maybe it's a strawberry apple flavor. Number 9 is a soda bottle, grape flavor. I think it's hard candy, maybe fizzes, I don't know. Mix 9. There's 9 types of chocolate. It has hot cakes, white chocolate, chocolate almond, jelly, something. It's hard. Ima. VC and xylitol. Hard candy as well. Number 11. I have no idea what this is. It's all in Japanese. I'm just gonna have to try it. Oh no, this is 12. 13. I think you can get this at Chinese supermarkets. The question marks mystery flavor. It's a gummy, kind of like Starburst. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed my video, and NapaJapan.com is trustworthy, so you can buy it. Bye.